Again, after some time, Indrik from Czech DC-9 project with a cool Sky DC-9 running on a flight simulator. And today I got a few instruments from the overhead panel. These are the two DC load gauges. This is the amps and the volts gauge, and this is the heater current from the pitot probes heaters. And as always, you see they are connected to some prototype board. Important is they all are connected into one Arduino, so only one software is driving them, and only one Arduino is driving this for. And still I have 5 open PWM outputs, so it's pretty good. I'll show you these instruments on the overhead panel in the Cool Sky DC-9. As you can see, they are showing nothing right now. Nothing, center, nothing. I go into the aircraft, and DC loads are these two gauges, which I have right here. The volt amperes is this one, just right from the generator switches. That's this one. And the heat current is this one on the left bottom, just above the annunciator, and that's this one. Okay, now the aircraft is running, I think. Yes, it is. And the buses are open, so they're off, so there's no current flowing to the DC buses. And I have also open the switch for the cross tie, and the EC is also open, EC power. So that means if I turn the left generator on, the left DC bus will be online, and that's the same here. So you see the right is dead, the left is on. And if I turn, as you can see here, if I turn the right on, the right will go live as well as mine. So I'll show you how it is working. Not focus on the simulator, but on the gadgets itself. So off. I will turn it on, the right one on, beep, and I'll turn the left one. Superb. Now for the amps and volts, that's here, and there's a selector. You can switch between the APU and external power, which only measures the AC volts and the frequency, which I have these instruments already working as well, but I cannot connect them together with these four. So on the APU or external, this one shows nothing right here, exactly as I have here. So, and on the left bus, it shows something like minus 25 volts, and I have the same here. And there's a little difference if I switch it to the right engine. It goes a little bit down, so I'll put it back. So it should go a little bit down if I switch it. Yes, it is going, and back. Okay, the next one is battery volts, which should be about 25 volts. So that's right here. Sorry, 28 volts. So I can see 28 volts is there. I switch it back, 0, left engine, right engine. These are the volts. And the last position is the battery amperes. Right now the battery is charging, means there is current flowing into the battery, which is exactly what I have here. And if I turn this large white knob on, that's the emergency power. So it means all the systems are powered from the battery, this gauge will show a minus current because all the systems are now powered from the battery, and that's exactly what I have here. So I turn it off, the battery is charging, turn it on, battery is discharging, powering all the systems. You see there's no change here. Okay, so turn off the emergency power again. Okay, now let's move to the last one. That's the heater current, which heats the probes in the pitots and in the static ports. It's turned off right now. There are a lot of positions, and on each of them it shows some different current. So right here there's about 4 amperes, and that is exactly what I have here. There's no magic. I'll turn it off right now, and there's 0. I turn it on back, and that's 4. The next is about 3.5 amperes. That's the aux. I don't know what that means. No problem. I've learned that out. But that's 3.5, and that's exactly what I have here. 3.5, not 4. The other one shows 4.5, almost 5 amperes. And I go back to off the RAT, and now the statical right, left 4.5. It's just working exactly as this one, so I'll switch this, I'll turn them on and off. The only difference is this is just going right now. It just jumps. We have it naturally, so it just not jumps, it just goes there somehow. So guys, that's it. I got these 4 instruments from the overhead, interfaced with the Cool Sky DC-9 and 1 Arduino unit, 1 H-bridge needed for this because it's plus or minus current flow, and that's it for today. Hope you have a great new year, and see you next time. Bye bye.